Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vlada. Today I'm going to share secret beauty hacks that will help you look stunningly perfect, beautiful and gorgeous every single day. These hacks will simply change your life. First, I'm going to show you how to banish under eye circles for good. For our first hack, you're going to need 1 cucumber. Peel off the hard exterior and then grate it up. Next, move your grated cucumber to a strainer and press out the juices with a spoon. Next, we're going to mix in 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and a half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil, or 1 capsule. Mix the ingredients together and gently apply the solution to your under eye area before you go to sleep. Combined, soothing aloe and cucumber work well together with the vitamin E to depuff and brighten your eyes. Next, I'm going to show you how to shrink pesky pores and diminish the appearance of dark spots on the skin. Begin by pouring fresh cucumber juice into an ice cube tray and allow it to freeze overnight. First thing in the morning, pop out a cucumber cube and rub it on your skin. The hydrating properties of cucumber will instantly plump up the skin, diminishing the appearance of enlarged pores throughout the day. With continued use, your skin will look absolutely glowing and flawless. This process is quick and easy, only 3 to 5 minutes for gorgeous, youthful skin. Next, I'm going to show you how to lose weight without exercise. Take a cup of fresh cucumber juice and squeeze the juice from half a lemon into it. Every morning before breakfast, drink a whole cup of this mixture for the next 15 days. Lemon juice helps amp up your metabolism and aids in digestion. Over time, you'll look slimmer and more toned around the belly area. Next, I'm going to show you how to get rid of wrinkles fast. Add 5 tablespoons of cucumber juice and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to a glass. Now, add 3 tablespoons of rose water and transfer the mix to a spray bottle. The soothing and hydrating benefits of these ingredients will give your skin an instant, refreshing boost, plumping up the appearance of wrinkles and other imperfections. Spray this mixture directly to your skin first thing in the morning for 14 days and you will see an incredible difference in the look of your skin. Have you always wanted thick, healthy and long hair? Check out this next hack. Start with 5 tablespoons of cucumber juice and a half a cup of carrot juice. Mix the juices up and add a pinch of baking soda. Now add 3 tablespoons of regular shampoo and mix it all up. Next time you wash your hair, use this mixture in place of your regular shampoo. The added soothing benefits of cucumber will help calm irritation on the scalp and reduce dandruff. Carrot also stimulates blood circulation, thereby stimulating hair growth. For our next hack, I'm going to show you how to stop acne in its tracks. Believe it or not, in as little as 3 days, this beauty hack will help banish pimples for good. Start with a half a cup of cucumber juice and squeeze about a tablespoon worth of lemon juice right into it. Next, add a half a teaspoon of gram flour. The healing benefits of lemon will diminish the appearance of existing acne and acne scars. Simply apply the mixture onto any trouble spots with a cotton pad. Allow it to set for 25 minutes and then rinse it away with water. Repeat these steps daily for the next 3 days and you'll have incredibly clear, smooth skin. Next, I'm going to show you how to get bright, flawless, glowy skin. Start with 4 tablespoons of cucumber juice and add 2 tablespoons of kaolin clay. Mix them together well. Apply these 2 ingredients to your face, thick like a mask. Once it's dried completely, rinse it away with cool water. If you use this beauty hack for a full month, you will not believe your eyes. You'll get permanently bright skin, 100% guaranteed. Now this last hack is for my female viewers only. If you want a natural way to increase your bust size, simply follow these instructions. Take a glass of chilled water and squeeze in juice from half a lemon. Next, add 4 tablespoons of cucumber juice and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply the mixture to your bust area, just like I'm doing here as a demonstration on my belly. Rub the mixture in circular motions for about 20 minutes. Wear a push-up bra to bed and shower off in the morning. Repeat these steps for the next 7 days and you'll see a significant difference in the size of your breasts. This won't just increase your cup size, but it will also soften and tighten the skin, which is perfect for all of my mommy viewers out there. I hope you loved all the beauty hacks I've shown you today. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you have any special requests in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.